activate for this.
Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Huron County, Erie County, southwestern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, Medina County in northeastern Ohio, northern Ashland County, Lorain County, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near northern Milan or 8 miles southwest of western Vermilion, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Lorain, Elyria, Medina, Vermilion, Western Vermilion, Lakewood, Strongsville, Brunswick, Westlake, North Ridgeville, Avon Lake, Amherst, Grafton, Wellington, Lodi, New London, Creston, Wakeman, and Chippewa Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Cuyahoga, Erie, Huron, Lorain, and Medina.
Considerable damage, 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts.